Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how we can run Cypress through terminal. So in the previous video guys, we would have seen this first spec.js. So we launched the browser, we tested it through test runner. So normally we can run through test runner also, we can run through terminal also. So without any further ado, let us start the video. So for this guys, you would have seen the last video, you would have this option. So node module /bin /cypress open. So it opens the test runner, then you click the file. The file here is first spec.js. Then what will happen? It will launch the browser, it will do the operation whatever you have given the story. So in this guys, I can do like this node module /bin /cypress. If I just give run, what it will happen? It will run the entire test. Whatever tests are present in this examples, it will run the test, but it won't be headed. So now you can see it has a browser is Electron 94. The node version is v 16.14.0, and it says one spec is found, and it is running that particular spec. Here you can see it has already passed the test. Now, if you see the result, there is only one test and passing is 1. Video is true, 21 seconds it ran, and also the example /first test of spec.js. So now you can see here run is exactly finished. So all specs are passed, we'll get the result like this. So now, what if you think, okay, what if I want to see a run of the browser, actual execution in the browser, plus I want to run it in a terminal mode. So for that guys, we'll clear the screen. We'll do the same statement. In here we'll write --headed. So what it will do, if you give --headed, it will launch the browser. So let us see that execution. So if I click on enter, so run is now starting. It is using the Electron 94 browser. So now it has launched the Cypress. Now we'll see the execution. Test will be on the left. That here the execution exactly happens. So it's verifying the title here. So it's visiting the google.com. Now Google equal to Google. So if you see here, it has now passed the test. You can see here properly execution happened here. You can see each and every block. It is a particular test case. What and all it did, even including the assertion it has shown here. And right side you can see what actually it had performed. Hope you find this video informative. This is how we can run with terminal with headless equal to true and false. In Puppeteer, we used to give in the browser options. We can give like that in terminal to run headless and headless false and headless equal to through terminal. If you like the video, guys, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.